Hello and welcome to my best ever just amazing cooking show. Joining me today are my two lovely assistants Div and Ben. Now let's make fruit salad and chicken. Prep. Well girls, it looks like we're going shopping. Reinhardt the Sims game and Genshin Impact. I love Metago C6 just sitting here like enjoy the DLC early.
Stop right there!
What?
Attack.
It seems I am coward.
Wow. Well, alright then. Now let's get in my car and get that chicken and—
Not today.
Crap. Sigh, guess we got a carpool now. Lol, I appreciate the ride, but why are we stopping?
We're running low on petrol.
Oh alright then, guess we'll just have a look at the station while we wait.
Good day.
I am Throttgold.
What?
This is not a fuel-efficient vehicle.
Sigh, not this again. Hi, yacht.
I could use a hand.
Who wants to fight me?
What the fuck is that?
Hey!
Come on, tough guy!
You're dumb as a box of rocks.
What the fuck? Oh.
You know, fuck running.
We're gonna kick your ass.
I'm afraid not.
Okay, yeah, you're probably right.
What? 俺は闇浮く街を決める断罪の刑事インフェルノコップ命乞いをしてみろ It seems I am coward.
How are you? Fine, thank you.
Come here, sissy.
OMG Ray guys, we survived another month of random people that want us dead for no reason.
I'll pay for this!
Thanks, mate.
Now let's finally get our groceries.
Onward.
Ah.